Let's talk about a couple things in the Shared With Me folder in your Google Drive. The first thing is if you don't like the quick access, you can always turn that off. Just go to the settings, and then right here where it says suggestions, it says make relevant files handy when you need them, surface important people and files, or make priority my default homepage. So you can turn that off if you want to. The other thing is a lot of people ask how to sort or how to clean up their Shared With Me folder. You can see I could go on for days with the Shared With Me folder, and it's just kind of a waste of time to sit here and try to clean it up. Number one, you can't make folders. The only thing that you can do is you can sort, and of course you can search for shared files. However, don't try to clean this up. Don't try to delete them. Don't do anything like that. What I do is if somebody shares something with me, and if I look at this document and I like it, then I will add it to my drive. So if I add that file to my drive, then what it'll do, I'm going to add it adds a shortcut. And then once it's in my drive, then I can actually go ahead and I can put it someplace in a different, I can put it in another place. I could put it in a folder, or I can put it wherever I want to. So cleaning up your Shared With Me folder is just an exercise in frustration. I would not even worry about it. Just continue to just leave it the way it is. And when somebody does share something with you that you think is important, go ahead and add it to your drive, and then you can organize it.